Guess me, I'm famous. Who are
She's a
you?
filmmaker. Yeah, right.
You goofy Robert? I don't know. Who are you? Bro, you have no fans. Not yet.
You got roasted.
I'm
Shut
the
up.
biggest your fan, bro. It's okay. Yeah, search me on YouTube. What's your name? Robert?
Maker.
Really, dude? 10K? That's nothing, bro. Yeah, that's nothing. But yeah, you have so many of
Say that
videos
10K
on
more
your
takes to
YouTube
you.
channel, but I can't see your subscribers here.
Bro, I
That
got
is something I got more than you. Cool. That's really cool.
Guess me.
bro, she gotta do it.
Nigga, how do you guess?
Tell her
Damn,
how.
nigga. How you finna say guess, but you not answering my shit? Fuck.
I'm trying to get his dick ready.
Nigga, pick up my shit, you motherfucker. This nigga said, hold up, damn. Nigga, how you finna say fucking guess me, but when I guess you, you ain't like about it? Fuck.
Bro,
This nigga lacking for real.
she a dirty slut.
Rate me to 1 to
How old
10.
are you? 1 to 10. I'ma keep it 100 with you.
I'm a 10,
I'ma
huh?
keep it 1. Let me check this out. I'ma keep it 100 with you, bruh.
I'm a 10.
I'm not attracted to black guys, you feel me?
What?
I don't know, like I'm strictly on the Mexicans here, you feel me? I like them Nathaniel niggas,
tell
you
she a
feel
dirty
me?
slut.
I don't do no black
Yo,
guys. I
tell
don't
she
know.
a dirty
I'm
slut.
just not attracted to them. How can I rate you? I'm like, you feel me? I'm not attracted to black guys, you feel me?
I'm Mexican.
Shit, you Mexican?
Yeah, I'm mixed.
Say you'll want this black dick.
Shit, you speak Spanish?
Yes, hola amigo.
Shit. Yo quiero un niño que se llama esta Toquiros.
You wanna fuck? That's what you said?
Damn, nigga.
So I'm a 10, right? I'm on 10 now.
Shit, yeah, I mean, shit, you cool, you 10.
Yeah, appreciate it,
You
appreciate
10?
it.
I got my sister, she black. Right here.
That's a female? What the fuck?
Bitch, you wanna fuck?
That's my
the bitch you
sister,
wanna
my
fuck.
nigga. Damn, shit. She black, she half black.
You know what? Since you don't like black guys, what about her?
I think, you like black guys, mama?
That's
she like
your
the
mama?
Nah, we call her mama, cause she a little mama.
I was about to say, what the fuck?
Step.
Follow me on YouTube.
Follow you on YouTube, you mean subscribe?
Yes.
Alright, what's your
Robert.
YouTube again?
Goofy Robert.
Goofy Robert, I bet.
How to leave?
You press the X button?
How to leave? I'm new.
How I leave? You mean how do I leave? What the fuck?
Girl, don't
How I
correct.
leave?
Girl, don't correct me.
What are you talking about? How I
Don't
leave?
even know how to speak English. Cause like, let me.
Yes, I do. English perfectly fine, nigga. You feel me?
Back to the whorehouse.
No, I don't. I don't think so.
Go back to the whorehouse. Tell her that.
Yes, how do you guess people?
Don't be a pussy.
Bro.
The how leave nigga left. How
Tell
leave?
her.
You mean how do I leave, bruh?
Bruh,
So
you
shit
a
right.
pussy.
Damn. Jasmine, do you like me? No, nigga, I don't fucking like you. What the fuck? It's fucking weird, nigga. Who the fuck is you?
He said, I'm
Dirty fucking slut.
How the fuck I
You
captain,
talking too
nigga?
much, nigga. What you mean? You're a bagel, nigga. What you mean? What you mean, nigga?
Nigga, what you mean?
Acting like you're a crip with a blood, nigga. What you mean?
What the fuck, nigga?
You're bagels, nigga. What you mean, crip?
How the fuck am I captain, nigga? With your
You're
white
fucking
ass.
bagels, nigga. What you mean, bruh? Wasting my time with your bullshit.
Okay, but you over here talking about guess me. What's up, nigga?
You're a
You don't
bagels,
like-
nigga.
What's up?
You're a bagels, nigga. What's up? Bitch
What's up, nigga?
asshole.
What you bang? What you
You
bang?
dirty damn slut.
What
You
you
dirty
bang?
damn slut.
Exactly, nigga.
You already know what I'm saying.
Take
You
what I
already
said,
know.
nigga.
You already fucking know, bitch. You already know fucking know, bitch. You
know what I
scared,
said?
bruh. You scared, bro? You
The
shaking?
fucking
You shaking?
Mickey
I'll
Mouse looking
fuck
at
your crib right now, bro. I'll
fucking
fuck
shit.
your crib right now, B.
No,
Tell
fucking
me your
rapper.
block.
Nigga,
Tell
I
me your
was
block,
fucking
nigga.
with.
What
Do
you gonna
something.
do about it?
Do
What you gonna do about it, pussy ass bitch?
Do something, pussy. Do
Do
something.
something.
Do
You a
something.
faggot, nigga. Why you lying,
something.
fo? Why you
Oh
lying?
my
Why you lying,
hair.
fo? Acting
Yeah,
like
you
you're
don't
crib
know
my
nothing about
blood, nigga.
it.
You a fucking faggot, nigga.
Hey, nigga, I'm
You a
the fuck,
faggot,
nigga.
nigga.
Why that's how, nigga?
I'll
You like
bite you. I'll eat you for breakfast, nigga. I eat your
your
dirty
breast
ass
stank,
pussy.
nigga.
I eat your dirty
Your
pussy,
breast
nigga.
stank.
Um,
Your your breast
Oh
stank.
yeah, I
nigga.
love that.
Ah,
I love that.
Brush your teeth.
Trust me, I love that. Believe that.
Go wash your face, nigga. Fuck your eyebrows.
Believe that, nigga. Believe that, nigga.
Find out, nigga. Shut the fuck up,
Wash
nigga.
my face, nigga. I've been in the strip club all night.
Fuck,
I'm
nigga.
supposed to wash my face. I got time for that bullshit.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. You don't know
I
me,
got
nigga.
time for that bullshit, nigga.
I don't give a
I got
fuck.
time for that shit. Yo,
Nigga.
I'll eat you. I eat you for breakfast, nigga. I eat you, nigga.
Nigga, I
Yo,
wish the
dirty
fuck.
ass, stink ass pussy. What's up?
Your ass is
Yo,
like
stink ass pussy, nigga. Yo, stink ass pussy, nigga. Why you scared? Why you lying, fo? Acting like you crippin' and shit. You ain't nobody, bro. You ain't nobody, bro.
You ain't man. You ain't
Acting
nothing.
like you crippin' and shit.
Fucking
Why you
bitch.
lying, fo?
Yeah.
Why you lying, fo?
Straight up.
Who is you? Who
Fucking
is you?
dumbass
Tell me right
bitch.
now.
They
Fuck
all
about-
of us,
nigga,
they
you think I
rate
give a
between
fuck about
1 to
you?
10.
Who is
bro.
you?
I don't respect my mama. I don't finna respect you, nigga.
Tell me who
Fuck
he is.
respect
Tell
my
me who he is.
motherfucking
Tell me who he is.
Respect my
nigga.
motherfucking crippin', nigga.
Tell me what the fuck he is,
Respect that
nigga.
shit, nigga. Respect my crippin', nigga.
You a vagus, nigga.
Nigga.
Why you lying, fo? You a vagus,
Nigga
nigga.
gotta act out hood and shit.
You a vagus. Go back to
Oh,
your fucking crib, nigga.
You kept, nigga.
Acting like you don't like black dudes,
Shut
bro.
your
You
ass
get
up,
banged by black dudes all day, motherfucker. You get banged by black dudes, nigga.
Make your mom breakfast, nigga.
You a dirty ass slut. You give
Dumbass
up your
nigga look
pussy
like
all
cheese
day,
and
nigga.
shit,
You give
You
your
look
pussy
like
all day,
fucking
nigga.
cheese,
You give your
You
pussy
look
all
like
day,
cheese,
nigga.
nigga. Dairy cheese, nigga. From the
You
fucking
got some small titties. You got some small titties. Not if you ain't got no fat ass. You
nigga.
ain't got no fat ass.
Dude,
Take off your hat, nigga. You probably a bald head in the middle of your
Oh
fucking
yeah?
head.
Oh yeah? What's
You probably
up?
bald, nigga.
Show your pussy,
You probably
nigga.
bald, nigga.
Probably dirty as fuck.
Catfish ass
Probably
hoe.
dirty as fuck. Filled with cum and shit.
Dirty ass
Filled
whore,
with
nigga.
cum and shit.
Dirty
You
ass
already know
nigga.
what's up. You already know what's up.
Nigga, you
Look at
ugly
you.
ass smile, nigga.
Look at you, nigga. Oh, I
Fuck
love this smile. You love this too.
and
Oh,
whore.
you love all this smile, nigga. You
Like,
love
what?
all this, nigga.
Don't. I
You
really
love
don't,
all
nigga.
shit, nigga. You love
Nigga, you know
all
what
me,
the
nigga.
fuck? Pull up,
You
nigga.
died. You killed for my body, nigga. You killed for my body, nigga.
Egg
You
pussy,
killed
nigga.
for my mind, nigga.
Do something.
What you got, nigga?
Do
What
do
you got,
something.
nigga?
Do something.
Do something.
Smell your
You
breath.
do
That shit
something.
coming
You
out
talking
green,
so much,
nigga.
nigga.
Coming
You
out
do
green.
something.
That shit hot, nigga.
You're a vagus, nigga.
I'll
Your
face
Hot,
vagus.
nigga.
tell the
Your
rating
breath
me.
Look at you,
shit
nigga.
down, nigga.
If I show my dick, you fucking fall over, nigga. You scared, nigga. You scared, nigga.
Exactly,
You scared,
nigga.
nigga.
Stay your ass
You
shut,
ain't
nigga.
nobody, nigga.
Stay your ass
You
shut,
ain't nobody, nigga.
In the game.
You
Pull
ain't
up on
nobody,
your ass,
nigga.
Me
You ain't
and the
nobody,
gang,
nigga.
nigga. You don't know me, nigga.
You're a bitch
You
asshole.
know me, nigga.
You're a
Fuck the
bitch
crib,
asshole.
nigga.
You're a
Nigga,
bitch
you
asshole.
I don't give a fuck about you. You think I give a fuck about
Who
you? I don't give
is
a fuck
you?
about your granny,
Who is
your
you?
mama,
Who
your
is
daddy, your brother, your dog, your
Oh,
granny
your
grave.
grandma.
Nothing.
Your mama will be in
Fuck
the
about
grave.
you,
Your
nigga.
dad will be in the
I
grave.
don't
Your
give a
sister
fuck,
right next to you.
nigga.
You see that sister
Anybody,
next to you?
all the
She'll be in the
motherfucking
grave too, nigga.
dad, nigga. I don't give a fuck
That
about
sister
my
next to
skin
you will be in the
nigga.
grave too, nigga.
Nigga.
That sister next to you will be in the
Got
grave,
scared,
nigga. That sister
I'll
next to you
rock
will be in
your
the
shit,
grave
nigga.
too, nigga.
Fuck your ass, nigga.
Oh
Oh,
God, bro.
No,
Oh
I'll
God, your
fuck, bro.
sister will be in the grave.
right quick,
You
nigga.
wait.
You just
You wait.
flash, nigga.
You wait.
You stink, nigga.
Oh
You see me
God, your
corner
sister will be in the grave. You see that sister? You see your sister? She a dirty slut too. She a dirty slut too. All your family's dirty, nigga. All your family's dirty, nigga.
I gotta be, bro. I'm laughing at Alpha how you look, bro. He look funny, bro. He look
Ass with your ugly ass teeth, nigga. I'm not all
Oh
them
yeah.
out.
Oh, you love these teeth, don't you? I'm
All
gonna
them
eat your pussy with
motherfuckers
these
out,
teeth,
nigga. With
nigga.
your hot
I'm
ass
gonna eat your
breath.
pussy with these teeth.
Nigga, you don't want none, nigga. You don't know me, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I wish the fuck you would, nigga. I wish that.
I know, Mug, it's 8 in the morning.
Alpha, bro. I didn't know you looked like that.
You're famous. Goofy Robert? You ain't famous. I never heard that in my entire life. Who the fuck is famous? Taylor Swift is famous. Ryan Seacrest, famous. These people, famous. I never heard of you. You ain't famous. But if you were famous, we would have. It doesn't take just the internet. It's like I would hear about you. Dude, I don't have social media, but I hear about all these famous people. Miley Cyrus is famous. Chris Pratt is famous. Halle Berry is famous. Celine Dion is famous. Elvis is famous. Michael Jackson is famous. I'm fat. Bitch, I'm not fat.
Bitch, where's the fat, huh?
Huh? $10,000 followers is not famous, y'all. What the fuck? I'm not claiming that I'm fucking famous. Because I'm not. And I'm not trying to be famous, so.
What the fuck are you doing here, you dumb bitch? What's up? You look cute though, I can't lie. Shit.
Okay, first of all.
Hey, don't mind me. Hey, don't mind me if I. Hey. Where you live?
Something to joke about, bro.
Oh,
What the fuck?